students, today I am going to show you the conditional loop. Now conditional loop, this is a Python revision on the conditional loop. You see the conditional, there are the different type of loop I will going to discuss. So conditional loop is that part of the particular section where you will going to see that we are using a different type or different segments of your Python program. Now here those the part that you have seen that we are using the Python simple programming, like to find the cuboid of a surface. What it has been done, the input has been taken, and as the input has been taken, then it has been calculated and the cuboid has been searched out. So similarly the length and the breadth, similarly as you find it. Now what is the user defined function? User defined function means that user defined function where we find it that the work can be done in a certain specific task for the user defined. Okay, so function is a readily come on the Python is called a built-in function. Some functions are there which comes readily in a Python, they are called a built-in function. So if you use the functions to write the other different form, so those the different forms what are there are the library, as I have shown you, the different pattern of libraries are there. Okay, so those the advantages measures you can find. What you find it that we are going to do the repetitions of the different type of work. So as you repeat the different type of work, what we find it that is the advantages of the user defined function. What is the advantages of the user defined function? User defined function help to decompose the large number of small segment, okay, which makes the program easy to understand. That means it help you or help the program made easier to understand. In this particular case, what you have seen it that we are using the function, as I have shown you that I have used the different pattern of functions. I have called the function, that hello function I have created, and after creating the hello function I have called the hello function to do the work that you have seen it. Those the thing is well versed with you all. Okay, now here you see that I am going to discuss about the parameters. What is the parameters of the thing? Parameters in terms are the argument that can be used for the same thing, information that to be passed into the functions. So from the function what we find, there are the different type of parameters are being used, and when you are using the different type of parameters, the work will going to be done in that particular way. That means you find it that those are the terms and the arguments. What is the parameters and arguments? So the term, parameter and argument can be used for the same thing, information that are passed into the function. So for function respective, what parameter is a variable. So okay, that is what is listed inside the parentheses. So parameters are those variables which are listed inside the parentheses. So as it is listed into the parentheses in this function defined, what we find it that there are the different pattern of functions that we are calling and we are working with. So different modules of the Pythons are there, like here def, area of rectangle, weight and height. Okay, so calling the area equals to weight into height, calculate the perimeter is 2 into height plus weight. So this is the thing. Now how you are going to pass it? Area of rectangle 6,4. That means you are passing this particular function. What is the function name? Function name is an area of a rectangle. So this is how you can see it, that those the different functions are there. So those the different things are there. Now I am coming to the conditional loop. Conditional loop are those loop condition, that means there will be a certain condition or set of instruction that you are going to give, and giving the set of instruction, what you find it that those the set of instructions are there. Okay, different type of instructions are there. So each and every instruction, what it will going to do, it will going to make a compound of the statement in a sequence, more than one statement, and those the statement will execute sequentially. Okay, the execute means it will going to work sequentially, one after another the thing will going to work, and after working one after another, what we find it that there are the different condition will be placed, and based on this condition your work will be